Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which device is actively listening and which wake word is set. This matters because closing the assistant on the wrong device won't stop background listening. Once done, save any running timers, recordings, or drafts so you don't lose work. Make sure you have physical or remote access to the device. The quickest first step is a local toggle or the app's device page. This prevents accidental reactivation and sets you up to take direct control of the shutdown process. Next, disable voice activation from settings. You do this in device or through the companion app because it stops immediate reawakening. Once that's off, toggle microphone permissions at the OS level to block audio capture permanently. This adds a hardware-level safeguard. If the assistant runs background services or is linked to accounts, pause or sign out to cut cloud processing and cross-device triggers. Make sure to confirm each step. An unchecked permission can silently re-enable listening later on. Finally, physically mute or power down the device when you want absolute assurance. This eliminates all software loopholes and is why physical controls matter. After reconfiguring settings, test with a short wake phrase to verify the assistant no longer responds, and check the app's device status for any active streams. If something goes wrong, reboot the device and recheck microphone and account permissions. If persistent, remove the device from your account and factory reset as a last resort to fully close the assistant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.